Do subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Hello friends, welcome to techtuto. Did you accidentally send an email that you don't want to? Then Gmail gives you an amazing feature that allows you to unsend an email, but you have to enable it before you unsend anything. So this is how you can do it.
First, go to Gmail, go to settings. You can see undo option. Check the box to enable undo send and choose cancellation time to 30 seconds so you can get enough time. Now scroll down to the bottom and save changes. For testing the new changes, I am going to send an email. This is a test. As soon as you send the mail, on the top you can see the undo option. Click on it and you will have your mail back. Now you can edit or delete the mail. So this is how you can unsend an email in Gmail. Hope this video was helpful to you. Hit the like and do subscribe. See you in the next video.